स्वागत है आप सभी का द कॉमर्स बडी चैनल में। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज अपन फिर से जॉब अपडेट देखने वाले गाइस। और आज Amazon और कॉन्सेंट्रिक्स की तरफ से गाइस जॉब अपडेट आया है, जो कि बिगेस्ट जॉब अपडेट है गाइस, जिसमें कोई भी अप्लाई कर सकता है। मैं प्रॉपर आपको डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस बताऊंगा कौन कौन अप्लाई कर सकता है, किस स्ट्रीम के लोग अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। तो वीडियो को आखिर तक देखना गाइस, तभी आपको समझ आएगा कैसे क्या एनरोलमेंट करना है। प्लस अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया गाइस, तो जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर देना और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर देना, जिससे कोई भी आपका अपडेट मिस नहीं हो। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट मी शेयर माई स्क्रीन गाइस। So friends, you can see this is the official platform of Amazon, in which you can see the job role, which is RCO investment specialist. Okay, which is written specifically Hindi. So guys, those who know Hindi language, they can easily like crack this interview and all. Okay, so you can see external job description. You can read the description. If we talk about responsibilities, so you can see the review legitimacy and accuracy of submitted documents by sellers and responding back on the case if needed, evaluating personal and business information from sellers and verifying the information. Basically these are all related to operations and executive, right? So you can easily like apply in this job. Okay, if we talk about the basic qualifications, so basic qualifications is needed as proficient in Hindi and English, reading, listening and writing with an ability to compose grammatically correct, concise and accurate written responses. So you can see the basic requirement is like Hindi and English you must know, right? Then you have excellent knowledge of Microsoft Office, including Outlook, Word and Excel. Team player should be. And preferred qualifications, if I talk about, so preferred qualification like previous work experience in a customer service retail environment supporting Hindi speaking customers, knowledge of or experience in a fraud risk management environment, experience in insurance, finance, data analytics, research, translation or training with English as a language, self-discipline, positive results, and excellent. So you can see each and everything is mentioned. Now, if we talk about the relocation part, so 24 or 7, there will be rotational shift and changes every 3 to 4 months, guys. Okay, weekly off, rotational 2 consecutive day off. It is a 5-day working week with 2 consecutive weekdays off. Okay, the off days may change every 3 to 4 months. So guys, automatically it will be changing. So if you want to apply here guys, investigation specialist, so you can directly apply in this. It's an amazing job guys. Now if we talk about how to apply, so here you can see source detail you need to mention here. So you can mention like others, and you can mention any YouTube like channel, or you can like just mention employer job boards like that. You can easily mention. Okay, if this is page coming, so just like a Naukri or anything like that you can mention, no? Then you need to mention your full name, email ID, mobile number, alternate email ID, date of birth, gender, citizenship, disability, address details, current city, current state, pin code, highest degree, year of passing, education type, total experience you can easily mention, notice period, each and everything you can mention guys, huh? Other detail, do you have any backlog? You just need to fill the basic details, and then you can directly proceed ahead and submit the form. Okay, this is the basic details of this RCO investigation specialist guys. Okay, now, if we talk about the Concentrix guys, so Concentrix is again MNC which is hiring guys based on the MCAT results. Okay, so MCAT results guys, it's a paper in which directly there are more than 500 to 1000 companies they are directly hiring. Okay, so you need to fill the basic form, which is like name, email ID, mobile number, then Aadhaar number, verify Aadhaar number, father's details, address, pin code, state, city, work location, each and everything you need to mention. This is the referral guys, so you don't need to change this, it's automatically be written, okay, by default. You need to mention the education details, any diploma you have done you can mention that, and just you need to start assessment. After start assessment, now you will be getting a like MCAT questions will be there, like logical reasoning, then we have English, then we have maths, each and everything will be provided. So once you clear MCAT exam, directly Concentrix will be called contacting you for the further updation in your current profile. Okay, so guys, those who are interested, they can directly apply in Amazon and Concentrix. And if you have any doubts, you can call, you can just message me in the description box, I will clear it that also. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy it. Take care guys, see you next time, bye bye.